Database. A database is a series of tables that contain information arranged in some structure that makes it easy to access those tables. Sort them and select rows to the tables according to specific criteria.
Persistencia. Struct carry length. It is length used to enter what a device. Other words carry starting, modif, and delay date. JSON, JavaScript object. Note: it attends based date. Stands for the is easy for humans to read and word, and easy for machine to parse and generate. X-Men Stills Market Range. It is a test based. There is chance for similar to JSON, but with a more complex structure. Band binary is a very file format they can only by read and word by speed software. It is a fixed interest of speed and speed. Persist files. The bytes file date story date in a tabular structure. JSON files. Next files the story date a JSON format. XML files. This files the story date in format. By files binary files the story date and for special to software.
Data persistence (ORM). What is ORM? ORM is a technique utilized in software development to bridge the gap between object-oriented programming and relational database. It allows developers to interact with databases using objects and provides an abstraction layer that simplifies data manipulation. Benefits of using ORM: productivity boost. ORM reduces the amount of boilerplate code needed for database interactions, enabling developers to focus on business logic rather than SQL syntax. Portability. By abstracting away specific database implementations, ORM offers portability, making it easier to switch between different database engines without modifying the application code extensively. Maintenance easy. ORM simplifies the process of managing database schema changes, providing automated tools for schema migration and reducing the risk of introducing errors. Common ORM frameworks. Hibernate ORM, an open source Java-based framework widely used for mapping Java objects to relational databases. Entity Framework, a popular ORM framework for .NET, providing seamless integration with various database engines. The Django ORM, the ORM module that comes bundled with the Django, a high-level Python web framework. Sequelis ORM, a comprehensive JavaScript ORM for Node.js and JavaScript based applications supporting multiple data entry. Integration of ORM with database. Define object classes. Developers define classes that represent tables or collections in the database. Map object to tables. Mapping metadata defines how objects are stored in the database, including relationship and data types. Perform CRUD operation. Creating, reading, updating, and deleting data is done through object-oriented APIs provided by the ORM.
The dynamic cache service supports these persistent objects, so the application server does not regenerate objects that are rejected from the cache. Objects are written to disk when they are rejected from memory using the least recent used eviction algorithm. Objects that are in cache can also be flushed to disk during a normal server shutdown. Java objects that must be flushed to disk must be serializable.